Okay, so we've just driven an hour from Labuan Bajo to come and see 4 waterfalls. I don't know what they're called, and we've got a local guide who's going to take us to see them. I don't actually know how long the trek is, but we've got flip-flops on, so we'll see how that goes. What is it?
That right there?
Yeah.
That's probably like 500 quid.
Vanilla!
Yeah.
Oh,
Very
vanilla!
expensive. Down there.
Oh, wow.
That's probably like 500 quid worth.
Yeah, vanilla is really
Well
expensive.
Should we just scoop it up and take it?
Yeah. Look at this view already.
And it did say prepare to get your feet wet.
Well, we're going in the waterfall though, aren't we?
Yeah, I think it meant that on the trail.
Yeah, no, I get you. We've got flip-flops on. Oh well, we do this all the time because we always forget.
Hello.
Hello! The guy's walking well fast.
Yeah.
He's obviously been doing this for a long time.
Yeah.
My little legs can't keep up.
Might not make it to the other waterfall today.
Why?
Because we're doing 4 here.
Oh, yeah, true.
So we can try to do both tomorrow. The cave and the thingy.
Yeah, will we have time to do both?
Yeah.
Do you know how long the cave is?
We could, if you want, we could get up in the morning and go to the waterfall. Hello, my friend.
Hello!
Hello.
Hello! Thank you.
Hi.
Hello. I can't keep up.
You go first.
Thanks. Thank you. You do this every day?
Happy, happy.
Happy. You can feel it get cooler.
Yeah, you can, eh? Nice.
Hati-hati. Hati-hati di sini.
Oh,
Hati-hati.
Nice.
wow.
Di bawah tidak ada kolam. Takut licin. Licin.
You say keep these on?
Ya, licin. Ya.
Oh, take them off?
Ya.
Okay.
Take them off.
Yeah.
Takut licin.
Yeah,
Licin
yeah.
takut.
Yeah.
Do you need to take them off?
Takut.
Slip.
Kalau pakai ini.
Right, yeah. I take them off.
Yeah, okay. Wow.
I took the shoes off. It was really quickly with the feet.
Take it off?
Yeah.
Did you get in?
No.
You didn't get in, no.
No. I see too many bad videos on Instagram.
Huh?
I've seen too many bad videos on Instagram.
Oh, really? Well, what?
the people going off.
What?
Yeah. Not here.
Oh, I was gonna say.
We can have a go in the water.
Oh, really?
I don't know. I think...
Oh, right. Yeah, let's go and get your face under things.
You can have a picture of the egg though, it's pretty cool.
You will, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I don't think we could.
Yeah, you can get in there. Look.
This is cool.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Are we getting in then?
I'm getting in. Maybe take my...
Sam's getting in.
I bet it's slow time.
Yeah, it probably is. Go on, Sam. Yeah, I thought it would be. That's why I'm gonna wait. You're in.
That's nice, that.
Nice. Oh. That's dodgy. You don't want to do the boat first?
No, it's best to do it at like 1 o'clock. Yeah.
So blue. Reminds me of Laos.
Yeah, literally.
Right, we're going back up to the first waterfall and I'm going to get in that one. There was leeches in the other one and I don't want to get leeches on me. So yeah. Also, I didn't want to trek through this wet as well. Just would have been a bit crap. Yeah. Okay. I'll do a mash tag. Cut to when we get to the waterfall. Here we go. We've made it to the first waterfall. So nice. And I think we're going to swim in it now. We just got in and it was absolutely freezing, but it was really nice at the same time, so I'm so glad that we came here. I thought I just saw an animal on the tree. So we just come out of the waterfall and we went to film it on the Insta360 and then we've left and just realised that we didn't even press record. So you can't see us in the water, but we did go in and it was freezing, but like so nice. But then there was leeches and I don't like the leeches, so I got out. And also there was like a ledge where you could jump off, but the guy was like doing this action as if to like jump, And me and Sam were like, oh, I don't know about that. So we did a recce, went in the water, and Sam was literally stood there. So I'm glad we didn't jump in. Otherwise, yeah, that wouldn't have been good. But yeah, anyway, see you next time.